Come test drive the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.